Welcome to another how-to video. How to stop lagging in T3 Arena on Android. Hey everyone, today our topic is all about how you can stop lagging in T3 Arena on your Android device. So first, let's go over to the settings. Then click the phone. Now click the software information. Click the build number 7 times to unlock the developer option. Once it unlocks, back to settings. Click system. Then click Developer Options. While you are in the Developer option, scroll down until you find Graphics Driver Preference. Click it and search for T3 Arena. Click it again and choose the System Graphics Driver. Go back to Developer Options and enable the Disable HW Overlays and see if it works out. Once done, that's how you can stop lagging in T3 Arena on your Android device. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.